In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new single and multi-select options in Airtable forms. Whether you're managing a project, organizing data, or collecting information, having customizable fields in your Airtable forms can greatly enhance efficiency and clarity. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, navigate to Airtable, open your web browser and type in www.airtable.com. This will take you directly to the home page where we can begin our task. Once there, look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to start the login process. If you're already signed up with Airtable, simply enter your login credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account first. After typing in your credentials, click on continue to proceed. Once you're signed in, head to the form that you want to edit. Whether it's for a new project or an ongoing one, you'll need to select the Airtable base and the particular form where these options need to be edited or added. Now, with your form open, locate the specific field you wish to edit. Hover over this field and click on Edit Field. This action will open a dialog box with various options and settings that you can configure. Next, click on the Field Type drop-down menu. This will present you with a list of different field types that you can change the current field into. Since we're focusing on single and multi-select options, you'll want to choose Multiple Select. This type allows your form respondents to choose one or several options from a drop-down list that we are about to customize. Now look for the Add Option link or button within the Multiple Select settings. Click on it to start adding the options that your users will be able to select. This could be anything relevant to your form like different categories, statuses, or preferences. Enter your first option, and if you have more, just keep clicking on Add Option until you've added everything you need. Once all your options are added, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which guarantees that all the configurations you've made are applied to the form. After saving, you might see a prompt to confirm change. Make sure you click on Confirm Change as well to finalize and implement everything we've done so far. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added new single or multi-select options in your Airtable form. Don't forget to test your form to ensure everything works smoothly. By customizing your Airtable forms, you've taken a step towards better data organization and enhanced productivity. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.